Hello guys, welcome to Placement Pros. Today we will again improve our coding skills by a very interesting problem. Let's call the problem RCB, the very favorite team of IPL. They need to qualify for the playoffs in order to win their first trophy. But there's a problem, as always. They only have earned X points and they need Y points to qualify. Team RCB has earned X points in the games it had played so far in this year's IPL. To qualify for the playoffs, they must earn at least a total of Y points. They currently have Z games left. In each game, they can either win, either they could draw, or they could lose. Is it possible still for RCB to qualify for the playoffs? We will be given T number of test cases, and each test case will have 3 integers X, Y and Z. For each output, we need to give whether is it possible for RCB to qualify or not. If it is possible, print yes. If it is not possible, print no. Let's see the test cases. If we have 3 as T number of test cases, 3 test cases. The first test case X is 4, Y is 10 and Z is 8. So if they need 10 points to qualify, they have a possibility of winning all 8 matches and making it a total of 8 into 2, 16 points. And 16 plus 4 points is 20 points and they can easily qualify for the playoffs. So the first output should be yes. In the second test case, we have X as 3, Y as 6 and Z as 1. If they can win all the games that are left, they could still get 2 more points. So 3 plus 2 points is still 5 points. And they couldn't qualify for the playoffs because they need 6 points to qualify for the playoffs. So the output would be no. If X is 4, Y is 8 and Z is 2, can they qualify for the playoffs? If they win all the 2 matches that are left, 2 into 2 is 4. So they could only get 4 more points, and 4 plus 4 more points is 8 points and they could qualify for the playoffs. And this is the third case. They could yes possibly be qualified. Let's code this out. First of all, we will have T number of test cases. Then we will take input as T. Then we would have X, Y and Z. Then we would take all the test cases as an input. Now, if X points already earned plus Z points in each game, they would win could be possibly greater than equal to Y. They could easily qualify for the playoffs. And that would be yes. Then new line. And if it is not possible for them to qualify, it would be no. Perfect. Let's test this code under our questions. We could see that this code runs. In first test case we would get yes. In the second test case they couldn't qualify because they could only get 5 points. And third test case they could get 8 points and they could qualify. Is this only giving the possibility they could qualify or not? So if you like the video, please do like video and share this in every group you have, and please subscribe to my channel.